Hello and welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of the rigid impact onto the composite panel made by a steel plate, titanium foam or metal foam as a core, and the aluminium plate as a back plate. You can see that if I click on the plus contour shape, you can see this is the final frame or the last frame of the impact. If I click on view cut, it is a better view cut, and I can use a limit. For instance, 8, or for instance 9. I use this 0. It is a better view. See that? This is the impact process. The foam compaction, steel damage, aluminium deformation. And if I remove the rigid body again, the steel failed during the impact. If I click on a steel just, see that the steel failed. Or if I click on a foam, this is the foam compression. And if I click on aluminium, this is the aluminium stress. Or we can check the damage. The damage for instance, first for the steel part, see that it is the damage. And me to make it complete view in this view, and this is the damage for the aluminium. And we can request, for instance, plastic strain for the foam. This is the huge plastic strain for the metal foam or titanium foam. So if you need this tutorial, you can come to our website. In this tutorial we explain the aluminium steel plasticity and damage and aluminium foam definition in Abaqus. Find the English tutorials or search one of these words of the titles here to find that, and then click on the title or blue sign. This is continue, and then you will have this explanation about the geometry and part module, and then the material method, step interaction and boundary conditions, and here there are the results as figures. And then you will have these 3 points. The file contains a CAI in English video file step by step, and the cost is $30 US. If you have Bitcoin, you can pay it with that. If you haven't Bitcoin, you can pay it with PayPal. It's a better way to use PayPal. If you have PayPal account, send me an email to this address, and then I will tell you about the purchasing process. Thank you for attention.